Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and today's video I will be sharing with you a traditional Thanksgiving table setting. So let me show you all the ideas that I have for this tablescape. So the first thing I'm going to do is add this beautiful Thanksgiving backdrop, and the quality of this backdrop is super good and it looks amazing. I love it. So I think it's going to look great with my Thanksgiving table setting. So I'm going to share the link for this backdrop under the description box for this video. So if you guys want to check it out later, it's going to be there. This company is amazing. They have very good backdrops. They have different styles, different designs for every occasion. I love them. And in this case, I'm going to use this beautiful backdrop for Thanksgiving. So you guys can check it out later, all the products that I'm going to use under the description box. Here are some of the items that I will be using for this table setting, and some of the items are items that I already have in my house. I'm just going to incorporate a few new items, but I want to keep this super simple, affordable, and beautiful. So I'm just going to use the stuff that I already have around my house, like this table runner that I bought many years ago, and this placemat that I also already have. So basically, I'm just going to incorporate just a few new items, not that many. I'm just trying to use whatever I have to keep everything affordable. So something that I bought new is this plate charger that I bought it from Hobby Lobby. I think they were on sale. I think it was like $1 for each, so super affordable. And this dinner plate I already have from previous years. And another thing that I bought new is this linen napkins that I bought from Hobby Lobby too. So I'm going to place them under the dinner plate because I love the way this looks. You just have to fold it like this and just place the plate in top. So it looks very beautiful, very simple, and very easy to do. So for my table centerpiece, I want to do something super easy. So I'm going to use these candle holders that I bought a long time ago in an antique store. And I'm going to add 2 new candles here. And also I'm going to use some small pumpkins that I have in my front porch when I decorate my front porch from Halloween in the fall. So I'm going to use them. They're still very good. So I'm going to use them in this centerpiece. And also I went to my backyard and cut some greenery so I can put this here too. So I like that contrast, the green, give it to the white and the orange colors for the Thanksgiving table setting. So, and also I'm going to incorporate these light streams that I bought from a previous decoration that I did. So I love these lights. They give the centerpiece, that magical touch. So I love them. So I'm going to use three of them. And I'm going to share all the links of the items that I'm going to use here with you guys under this video. And also I want to incorporate some candles because I love candles. Candle and string lights, they look beautiful, give you that cozy traditional Thanksgiving table setting. So that was what I want to plan to do, is to do something cozy and beautiful for this table. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful Thanksgiving table setting. I hope you guys get some ideas on how to decorate your own table for this Thanksgiving. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like and comment. And please, guys, let me know what you think about this tablescape setting for Thanksgiving. And also, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and thank you for all the support to my channel. I love you guys, and I see you next time for more videos. Bye bye.